Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen, where I'm baking up some ooey gooey goodness. St. Louis gooey butter cake, as delicious as it gets and so easy to make. Here's what you'll need. 1 box of pound cake, 4 eggs, a half a cup of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, some almond and vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. In a mixing bowl, combine the cake mix, 2 eggs, and a stick of melted butter. Blend to combine, and then spoon it into a 9 by 12 parchment-lined baking sheet with at least a 1-inch lip, or you can use a casserole dish. Spread the batter out evenly, and then make the filling. Combine the cream cheese, 2 eggs, almond and vanilla extract, and then a pound of powdered sugar, reserving 2 tablespoons. Pour the filling over the batter and then bake at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. Remove the cake from the oven and sprinkle with the remaining powdered sugar, and then it goes back in the oven for 25 minutes or until golden brown on top. Since the cake is gooey, the best way to slice it is to dip the knife in hot water between cuttings. Then serve it up warm or cold and prepare to get hooked. The St. Louis gooey butter cake is simply sensational. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.